Hello, Namaskar. This is Rajeshri Bhattacharya Ghosh. I'm a past life regression therapist and also a numerologist and a musician and a school teacher. I had my first ever past life experience with Shrija Jhawar, and it was such an amazing experience. And as a therapist now, I understand that how intricately she took me through this journey, and that first ever experience was not only so much revealing, so much of revelations was done, but also it ignited a deep desire in me that this one session changed so much in me that if I learn this, I can also make changes in people's lives. Also, I went through the inner child therapy, which Shrija, which I fondly call her, she just felt the need that I need to have this inner child therapy before I go for past life, and with so much of care, like she was just like holding me like a child and took me through my childhood memories, and it was such a great release of traumas for me. And then also I kept on linking with her, and I was just going through many things, and then I came to learn that she is having this course of emotional intelligence. And again, after those delayerings of my plights and agonies, and when I was quite balanced, I just went through this emotional intelligence course, and I found out that by doing this course, it was so easy for me to choose people and how to employ or how to give roles to people around me, as a teacher at my school and also as a teacher to my students, which role should be given to whom, and at home also, because I'm a mother and I'm a homemaker too. At home I am a homemaker, so I have to employ people and I have to set roles for even for myself also. And I got to know as an emotional person what are my traits and what are the traits of my nearer ones and dear ones, and also the people with whom I work, and I have only a work relationships. So these, and a little bit of NLP also, because she is such a huge NLP coach. She is an amazing NLP coach. So we got little things about NLP also, and which is helping me every day in my daily life, in time management, and in also just within 5 minutes if I want to release my stress, all these things. And there are timeline management therapy, which is from NLP, which I learned from her, and all these things have just changed me throughout, through within and without. From within I can feel that change, and day by day, as I got to know her more through her therapies, I started realizing every day that with so much patience and so much of presence, because she is never leaving you alone when the course is over or the therapy is done and you are absolutely okay. Every time I needed help, she is there, and she's never ever disturbed or bothered, even if during the therapy when I was sending her long messages or some long replies. She's that non-judgmental person who has always been there for me. And beyond every work-based or therapy-based relationships, it's just been a blessing for me to be with Shrija Di, our dear Shrija Jhawar, and I always will cherish this relationship throughout my life, and just looking forward to learn more from her as a therapist, as a person, as a woman. Thank you.